at this job site, we are cleaning up their yuccas. We're cleaning up the crepe myrtles. We're headed to the back, taking out all the weeds. We are currently taking and changing out a valve for irrigation. We're gonna clean up and take out all these weeds, cut the grass, and repair their sprinkler system. Their sprinkler system has not been active in about 3 weeks. So we will, with that valve changing, we will be able to get their water going again and getting their grass looking good.
Just got to Washington. I'm a little upset at myself because last month when I was here, coming from New Mexico, you know, you can imagine how hot it's been out there. Over 100 usually. And I keep forgetting to bring a sweater every time I come down. You know, it's so hot out there, I don't even think about it. And every time I come down here, it's in the 60s. I'm freezing. Those are my problems. I know soon I'll be back in New Mexico in the heat. So for now, I guess I'll enjoy the cool weather. For this job here that you guys are seeing, we poured a sidewalk, landscaped the whole backyard basically. So we took out all the old gravel, came back in, put some crusher fine. This will allow the customer to better rake the pecans. She has some pecan trees in the yard. From there we also seeded the yard, got it reseeded. I just bought. So this should be exciting. So I'm driving today's a Sunday, going through all the cities around here, the small towns, looking at where our next spot would be to set up shop. So currently we are, the business is located in Stanwood, but kind of been venturing a little bit north to the Burlington area. It's kind of a thought where we might be moving to. Also, we could go a little south, Marysville and Everett area, even down into Linwood, getting closer to Seattle. But I don't know, kind of just checking out the areas, seeing where would be best. you know, where it would give us the most, I guess, work potential of getting work. So that's kind of what we're doing today. Maybe if we can get out of this sun here, it is about 80 degrees for this area. That's pretty hot. So I know all you guys back in New Mexico are in the hundreds right now, so I'm not complaining here. I don't know if you can see all the spider webs in there, but anybody wants some spiders, we're breeding spiders, so just give us a call. Free of charge. There's a lot of them, and I'm gonna have to take that apart and clean it up.